Spanish-inspired tortang patatas with sardinas. Napakasarap. Simple, hearty, delicious, and very filling. Ganito lang siya gawin. We are making a tortilla, Spanish tortilla or tortilla with potatoes. So ito siya, very classic Spanish style, but we're doing a twist na gagawin nating Pinoy. So I'm just slicing my potatoes very thinly. Yan. So 1.5 potatoes and ang aking onions. I will also like slice. And we will caramelize our onions a little bit. So I'm heating up my oil at ito siya, pangpadami ng ulam. So onions natin, sosote natin ng maayos yung ating onions until lumambot siya. We want this tender and a bit caramelized before we add our potatoes. Yan. Now we have our onions caramelized. We will add our potatoes. Pahinaan na natin yung ating apoy. And what we want is to cook our potatoes through, no? So, hindi siya yung crispy-crispy. Gusto natin maluto talaga to. Season with a bit of salt. Konting salt. And I will also smash a clove of garlic. Yan. Yan, add garlic. I will also prepare my leeks, kahit isa lang, but I will add this later. Put that aside. In the meantime, I will crack my eggs. We'll be using 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3. That's good, no? Yan. So don't you worry, no? We really want to toast the potatoes para maging malambot siya when we add it to the egg. And we will just beat our eggs here. Yan. Now we will add our fried potatoes to our mixture. Mix it all together. Mix everything. We will add 1 can of our sardines. We are using sardines in tomato sauce. Just add it here. We're adding 2 cans of our sardines. Black pepper. At para pangpalasa natin, Maggi Magic Sarap. Add our Maggi. Mix. Add our spring onions or our leeks. And we are ready to cook. Very hearty, masarap, and something that's very filling. Go. And now let's cook. Add a little oil to our pan. Spread it around. And now we will add our egg mixture. And it's very important. Medyo makapal yung gagawin natin na omelette or torta. Mix it around so that we are sure that cooks well. Then we will let that set. Napakasarap dito. Very, very European, di ba? During the time na walang makain, patatas talaga yung linuluto nila. And this is a very classic way of doing like a farmer's omelette. But our version has sardines for more protein. Yan. Pwede na to. So, pahinaan natin yung apoy and we will flip that in a little while. Just letting it set. So, hinahinay lang yung luto natin para mag-set yung nasa gitna. And let us flip our omelette, our tortang patatas with sardinas. Yan. Or our tortilla tortilla. Yan. Beautiful. And we will just slide it back to our pan. Look at that. Thick, hearty, and very filling, no? Yung dalawang sardinas natin, dumami dahil sa ating patatas and 4 na itlog. So, all the flavors come together. Kaya yung ating onions, caramelize yung onions natin. Yung patatas natin, medyo toasted but very tender pag kinain natin. And also, the addition of the sardines adds more flavor and protein. Ito, kahit simple na dish, it's hearty, pwedeng pang ulam, at pwede din pang salo-salo to share. Kasi dumami yung ulam natin eh. Diba? And, in a little while, usually, pag sinaserve to, gusto natin na medyo malasado yung gitna. Pero today, hindi na natin siya gawing masyadong malasado. Now, ready to plate. Napakabilis lang ng ating recipe. Masarap to with ketchup. And here it is. Perfect omelette. Sprinkle with a little bit of spring onions. And that is it. Napakasarap, hearty, filling, delicious, and comforting. Ito yung mga madiskarte natin mga recipes. Nagtitipid tayo, pero masarap and filling pa rin. And if you still haven't subscribed to the Simple.ph YouTube channel, dapat mag-subscribe na kayo. At ito siya, for me, this is comfort food. And we will slice. Masarap to sa pandesal. Masarap to sa sinangag. Pero, kung gusto mo, on its own, pwede na. Kasi may carbs na rin patatas, diba? So, it's a complete meal. And that is it. Perfect ba? Perfect, oh. Look at that. O, sa loob, medyo wet pa siya ng konti. Look at that. That is the way to do it. And, masarap to may ketchup. May ketchup ba tayo? Pero titikman ko muna na walang ketchup. Pero sigurado tayong masarap to dahil may Maggi. And, it's going to be simple but magical ang ating ulam. Pwede pang salo-salo to. Simple, comforting. This is a very good appetizer because it serves as an appetizer in Europe. Diba? Bigyan mo ng masarap na pandesal na mainit. Pwede na. Perfect! Masarap talaga. No joke. This is really good. Ako, for breakfast or even dinner, pwede to sa akin. It's very important na igisa mo ng maayos, maging tostado ng konti yung inyong onions to bring out the flavor. And cook the potatoes para tender, para hindi ka matakot na hilawan ka. Look at that, oh. It's tender. The potatoes are fully cooked, properly seasoned. Napakasarap. Ang ating dish for today, tortang patatas with sardinas. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.